Are you looking for the best wireless subwoofers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best wireless subwoofers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. SunTrok Karaoke Soundbar with Subwoofer and Wireless Mics. The SunTrok Karaoke Soundbar offers a powerful 80W 2.1 channel system with a 6.9-inch subwoofer, giving you rich and immersive sound for movies, music, and karaoke nights. It comes with 2 wireless microphones, so you can easily enjoy singing without worrying about cables or interference. The soundbar supports Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring quick and stable connections for your devices. You also get 4 sound modes, 3D, music, movie, and news, that let you customize audio to fit what you're watching or listening to. Plus, you can adjust bass and treble to get the perfect sound every time. What we like. Easy setup process. Crisp, clear sound quality. Deep bass performance. Reliable wireless microphones. Great value for price. What we don't like. Microphone battery life could improve. Volume adjustment not very precise. Number 2. Sonos Sub Mini Wireless Subwoofer. The Sonos Sub Mini is designed to elevate your audio experience. When paired with Beam or Ray, it brings a rich depth to your shows, movies, and games, immersing you in the action. Its dual custom woofers, housed in a sealed cabinet, deliver powerful low frequencies that rival larger subwoofers. The woofers are arranged to cancel out distortion, ensuring clear sound. Additionally, with TruePlay tuning technology, it adjusts the bass to fit your room's acoustics, so you can enjoy crisp and balanced sound, even in tricky placements like near walls. What we like. Deep, powerful bass. Compact, sleek design. Easy wireless setup. High build quality. Excellent value for price. What we don't like. Limited subwoofer controls. Minor setup challenges. Number 3. Polk Audio PSW 10 10-inch powered subwoofer. The Polk Audio PSW 10 subwoofer features a 10-inch dynamic balance woofer and directed port for accurate bass with depth. It offers 100 watts of dynamic power and blends easily with any speaker. The sub is easy to integrate with existing systems, has a sleek detachable grille, and offers multiple input and output options. With sophisticated engineering and resonance-free driver materials, this sub is highly durable and perfect for extended use. What we like. Easy setup process. Strong, adjustable bass. Great value for price. Versatile for movies and music. Flexible connectivity options. What we don't like. Minor setup adjustment needed. Front port design preference. Number 4. Ultimia Skywave F45.1.2 ch Soundbar. The Ultimia Skywave Soundbar offers a rich 5.1.2 channel audio system that immerses you in lifelike sound, making movies and shows feel more realistic with overhead effects like raindrops and helicopters. Its up-firing drivers with advanced neodymium magnets deliver clear, precise height sounds, enhancing your listening experience with crisp high notes. Thanks to the 360-degree Surround X audio, the sound surrounds you completely, creating a natural and three-dimensional atmosphere. Plus, HDMI ARC support ensures you get full, lossless Dolby Atmos sound without compression, so every detail is crisp and clear. This soundbar makes controlling your audio setup easier and more enjoyable. What we like. Simple setup process. Clear surround sound. Strong bass performance. Great value for money. Customizable EQ and presets. What we don't like. Sound depth could be richer. Bass slightly less integrated. Number 5. Edifier T5 Powered Subwoofer. The Edifier T5 powered subwoofer features an 8-inch speaker driver that delivers powerful sound with highly accurate, distortion-free bass, and a low-pass filter with a frequency response down to 38 Hz to supplement your speaker's great high and mid-range with bass you can really feel. It also comes with a thick MDF wooden enclosure, which offers reduced acoustic resonance for better audio quality. The auto standby feature helps you save on electricity by ensuring the woofer is not unnecessarily using up power when it's not being used. What we like: compact size, easy placement, strong, musical bass performance, good value for money, easy to set up, blends well with speakers. What we don't like: no remote control. Not ideal for large rooms.